right, we've got information here coming in, news from the hospital itself. The statement coming in from Vikram Hospital on Puneet Rajkumar's death. It says that he came with a diagnosis of heart attack. On arrival, Puneet was non-responsive. Immediately, resuscitation was initiated, but despite all measures and all aggressive life-saving measures, he remained non-responsive. He was declared dead at 2:30 p.m. today. This is a statement here coming in from the hospital at this point in time. Just to read out some of the details here in that statement, that bulletin which was released by Vikram Hospital. It says that age 46, Puneet Rajkumar was brought to the hospital with a diagnosis of a heart attack. ECG was done by the family doctor. At the time of arrival to the emergency, the patient was non-responsive and was in cardiac asystole. Immediate advanced cardiac life support measures were initiated for resuscitation. In spite of prolonged advanced and aggressive measures, the patient continued to be non-responsive and asystolic. The panel of medical experts extended all efforts to save him, but he was then declared at 2:30 p.m. And that is the confirmation and the word coming in from the hospital at this point in time. Those are the details here. Remember, the actor's mortal remains will be kept at the Krantiraj Stadium and for a day, and tomorrow full state honors. With full state honors, the actor will be cremated as well. This was just mentioned a short while back by the Chief Minister, who was also there at the hospital. Now there's a huge crowd. There was a huge crowd at the hospital there, obviously, of fans grieving at this point in time. But outside the actor's residence, where the body of the actor is now reaching, or should be reaching sometime soon, there is a huge crowd. We'll just pull up those visuals as well for you about what's happening outside the actor's residence. A lot of people have gathered there, and there's a huge security deployment as well across the city, and especially near, in and around the actor's residence at this point. Remember, he was just 46 years old and has passed away at this point in time. He was declared dead at 2:30 p.m. today, and all efforts were made to try and save him, but none of that worked at this, as the hospital said. Let's in fact listen in to some of the tributes pouring in that have been coming.
It is a very sad news. We have first, when we got the information about his health in the morning, really we shocked. When the situation, some information what I got, really I am totally in the shocking mode at that time. It's unfortunate that a good performer and that Puneet has got future in a big way. Even now actually our heart is not accepting that he is no more.
And very popular in Karnataka. He was in a star #1. But we didn't believe when we got a message that he got admitted in the hospital, because that too with a heart attack. So when we came here, the treatment was going on. After some time, the doctor declared he's no more. It's very sad. We cannot. We don't have any words to say that we can't believe that Puneet is not with us.
Palkewar Award to Dr. Rajkumar. At that time, the boy was only 20 years old. And he's a non-controversial. Whatever Rajkumar had the characters, all the characters this boy had got. And it's very unfortunate. Karnataka lost a veteran boy. And I'll appeal to all his well-wishers. Peacefully give him send-off.
Neha is joining us at this point in time. She's outside the residence of the actor. Neha, what's the situation there? Because obviously now a lot more people seem to have gathered outside the residence of the actor.
Well, Avni, that's absolutely right. In fact, right here at the approach road, at the entrance itself, of this actor's residence, you can actually see right now how, massive crowd has actually gathered. And we can see how the police is at this point trying to, sort of manage the crowd, because these are actors who've, grown up watching Appu, as he's fondly called, from a very young age. These are actors who even watched, Dr. Rajkumar, legendary actor of Sandalwood, also for a very, very long time. And it's almost, like today, the state of Karnataka is seeing a massive loss, is what all of the actors and all of those offering their condolences also are saying. Avni, you can actually see this road that we're showing you right now is only the approach road to his house, and there are already these many fans over here. The crowd is only expected to swell right now. There is massive deployment of police both over here as well as even at the Kantirava Stadium, where his body would be kept for the mortal remains, for, of course, public viewing. So it is right now, a rather tense situation over here right now, as cops are really, of course, trying their hardest. You can see this is the busy Sadashiv Nagar area, the Sankey Road of Bengaluru, where, in fact, fans right now are really, of course, out here mourning, grieving, and, of course, it is really a sad loss today, a huge demise over here, coming in from the sandalwood industry. And right now, what we actually understand is that, the mortal remains would be have been brought to his residence. They would later, in fact, be shifted to the Kantirava Stadium for public viewing. And finally, the last rites would be conducted at the Kantirava studio, where, in fact, even the legendary actor Partama Rajkumar and all the other family members of the Rajkumar family too have been laid to rest.
All right, Neha, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you as well. But for now, this is the latest developments as far as the actor's untimely demise is concerned.